everyone. Imagine living in a world where you are in constant fear of being in an environmental disaster, like a tsunami, a fire, an earthquake, and these are all caused by global warming. This would be horrible, and it is an up and coming disaster that we are facing because of climate change. This is why climate action is so important, especially for bigger brands to focus on. Luckily, brands like Levi are doing their part in helping with climate action. So Levi's has implemented new practices focused on sustainability and hopes to make strides towards SDG 13, which is climate action. They plan on doing this by making an effort to work against climate change by lessening their carbon footprint. They have also reduced their greenhouse gas emissions by operating with their own facilities. They intend on using 100% renewable electricity in their own facilities by 2025. And one of their biggest goals is to limit global temperatures from rising 1.5 degrees. They plan on doing this by making 80% of their jeans and trucker jackets using waterless techniques by the end of 2020. So I wanted to do a survey whether or not to see if consumers actually care if clothing companies are sustainable and they practice climate action. So my first question was, would you be more likely to buy Levi's jeans if they were made with less water? 20% said no because their main factor was price, while 80% said yes because this would actually convince them and persuade them to buy these jeans. My next question was, do you only purchase from sustainable clothing companies? 40% said no, while 60% said yes. So there is a 60% chance that more people would be willing to buy from Levi's because they are a sustainable clothing brand that is practicing towards climate action. So, to conclude, the way our society treats the earth now will show later in future generations. And research shows that Levi's is making progress towards maintaining global temperatures to 2 Celsius through their sustainable actions. They have created a plan that focuses on lessening their carbon footprint, using renewable energy, and conserving water. And many of the customers support this movement and has actually encouraged them to live a more sustainable lifestyle according to the surveys that conducted. Many other businesses should participate in order to bring awareness and prolong our environment. Also, it can help with our economy, which is another plus. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation on climate actions and Levi's.